What's going on? It's Charel, the Forest King. It's my birthday, and we're back with another live stream video. You know, I got to give you the word for today before we start. You know, I got to give you the word for today. Trust in the Lord with all thine heart, and lean not unto thine own understanding. In all thy ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct thy paths. Book of Proverbs, chapter 3, verse 5 through 6. So let's get to the charts. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Again, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hey, what's going on, bro? Thank you for the birthday wishes. Thank you for the birthday wishes. Again, hit that like, subscribe button. Share this video. Share this video. It's NFP today, so I encourage everybody to use proper risk management and make sure you're staying disciplined. Make sure your mental is right for this. NLP is very volatile when it comes to the markets. So make sure you're following your plan and not jumping into any just trades and trying to. Yeah, I know hey, I know it's you, John. What's going on, bro? It's been a minute. Don't jump into trades prematurely. Use proper risk management, like I said. Let's look at Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin. Monthly, weekly. To me, Bitcoin is indecisive. Looking at this is indecisive. So I wouldn't even mess with Bitcoin. I wouldn't be messing with Bitcoin. It's indecisive. Looking at it on the monthly, weekly, daily. Yeah, it's indecisive. I wouldn't even be messing with Bitcoin right now. Me personally. But it hit my it hit that TP1, then hit TP2. I think I did this I put these lines on my other lives, if I'm not mistaken. Hit that TP1 because the NPM trade command. This is the NPM trade command. So this is my latest one. This is my latest indicator. This is the latest one. I just launched this like a couple of weeks ago. It's an awesome indicator. It has the trend, higher time frame candle, has the higher time frame bias. Not going to state. Thank you, bro. Thank you. We gotta chop it up. We gotta chop it up one of these days. Whenever you free, we gotta chop it up one of these days. You got my number. Just text me whenever you free. So what I was saying is as the entry, stop loss, TP1, TP2, TP3, confidence level, confidence level. I need to show y'all when it lights up. See, boom, right here. It lights up. So it lights up green for buys, lights up red for sales. So right now, you wouldn't mess with this because in order for me to get in a trade on this, it will have to be buy, and then it'll have to be green. This is neutral. It's letting you know don't get in this. And then it's blocked mixed. When it has that block mix, you don't get in. This has to say bullish. It has to say green, green, green. All green. It's gonna say all green right here, and then it's gonna. So this one you don't get in. It ain't even send alert for that, but this one you don't get in, you gotta wait. So it's certain ones that you gotta make sure you gotta be very attention to detail when it comes to this. That's trading in itself. You gotta be very attention to detail. You don't just jump into any trades. That's where people mess up at, jumping into any trades, every alert they see they jumping into. No, be very attention to detail and look what you're doing. Focus on what you're doing. So if you see that this says block mix, why would you get in a trade when it says block mix? So right now you don't get in this. You wait. When it say bullish, say all green, say green right here, and boom, you can get in there. And then it has the confidence level. So it's very important that you make sure that you're watching this and looking, making sure. This is my latest one. This is monthly. My other one, no, not that one. Other one. My other ones, these are my original. These are the ones I first made. These are the ones I first made right here. These indicators are the ones I first made. This comes with the new program that I have. It's called NPM Elite Fast Track. These are monthly. This is monthly. This is monthly. But I added I have that to my is that for I'm trying to see what you said. What you say? Is that I don't see it. No, it's strictly for trading view. Strictly for trading view. But what I was gonna say, these are my the first indicators that I created 8 months ago. These are what I updated the NPM Indicator Pro. But when you get this, when you gonna get all of this. This called NPM Elite, NPM Elite Indicator Suite. So you get 5 indicators when you join the NPM Elite Fast Track. So when you join the NPM Elite Fast Track, that's a new program that I have. It's called NPM Elite Fast Track. So what you get in the NPM Elite Fast Track is you get NPM Sniper, NPM Trend Dashboard. This gives you buy signals. It gives you buy signals. You get the RSI. You get the NPM Indicator Pro, which is this green background, red background. The green is for buys, red is for sales. It's color coded. I made it color coded for y'all. It has the EMAs. You get the market prediction. This green bubble is NPM market prediction. So it's 5 indicators you get for a lifetime when you join that NPM Elite Fast Track, and you get 3 months of MPM Academy, 3 months of MPM VIP Telegram signals, lifetime of Venom FX bot, that's an automated trading bot, and you get lifetime of these indicators. And these are monthly. Each one is monthly. This is monthly. This is monthly. Now this is one time. This is one time, but most of these are monthly. This is monthly. This is monthly. The MPM market prediction, this bubble is monthly. Proud of you, brother. See you doing well. Lord is good. The Lord is awesome. And I'm thankful to see another day. All glory to God. I'm thankful for him to give me this. He gave me this gift to be able to create these indicators, create all of this. I'm thankful. He gave me this gift, and I'm here to share it with everyone. I'm here to share with y'all, with the ones he ordained me with. I'm here to share with the ones he ordained me with. Like I said, I'm here to share with the ones he ordained me with. If he ordained me to be able to help you, I'm here to help you. I do this for the kingdom of God. So this, let me show you. So this lights up buy, and this got a higher time frame bias. Higher time frame bias. It has a higher time frame bias, and that's on the 4 hour. So I got my alerts for this one set to the 4 hour time frame, because, and then the rest of these are 5 minute time frame, because I enter my trades on the 5 minute time frame. So you get this, all of this, when you join the MPM Elite Fast Track. Now the other one, what I showed you, the MPM Trade Command, let's see, MPM Trade Command dashboard. This is separately. This do not go with the MPM Elite Fast Track. This is separately. It's not a one time. This is separately. This is monthly, because this is really built in. This is my best one, because it's really built in. My strategy is built in this, pretty much. Pretty much my strategy is in here. If you ever want to know my strategy, it's pretty much done for you service. This is a done for you service. You got your entry, your stop loss. I use this for my signals. Again, I use this for my signals. And this is amazing. It's pretty much my strategy built in this. It gives you it gives you the trend, higher time frame candle, higher time frame bias, entry, stop loss, TP1, TP2, TP3. There's no excuses. You shouldn't be capitalizing on this. No excuses. There's no excuses. If you follow this, there's no excuses. You shouldn't be capitalizing. You shouldn't be passing prop firms getting payouts. I have people that use this, that are passing prop firms getting payouts from this, because they're following this. So there's no excuse. You shouldn't be getting payouts and passing prop firms from this, because this is pretty much me inside of this. Me pretty much inside of this. You don't get no better than that. This is 6 years of me, 6 years of me inside of this. Again, 6 years of me inside of this. And when you join, I have a Telegram group for like the it's called MPM Trend Seekers. So I will be sending videos. I'll be sending videos of how to use it, and of course you get a free Zoom with me. So when you sign up with this, you get a free Zoom with me, and I'll show you how to work it. And you also get the videos in the Telegram group, the private Telegram group. I want to see you successful. I want to see you win. I get a fulfillment when you win. I get a fulfillment when you win. I got people that's getting payouts right now. One of my students, I'm proud of him. He killing it. I'm proud of him. One of his name Quan. He's killing it. Passing funded, private funded. He changed his whole perspective and mindset. You gotta be willing to change your perspective and mindset. When you join me, be willing to change your perspective and mindset. Because if you're not willing to change your perspective and mindset, I can't help you. Again, if you're not willing to change your perspective and mindset, I can't help you. So one of the people that I've helped, his name is Quan. I'm so proud of him. He's getting he got funded. He's getting payouts, all because he was willing to change his perspective and mindset. If you have a negative mindset, no positive. If you have a negative mindset, that's not gonna work. You gotta have a positive mindset, and you gotta have faith like a mustard seed. I have faith like a mustard seed. You gotta have faith like a mustard seed when it comes to this. It's in the Bible. Gotta have faith like a mustard seed. Praying daily, going to God. Whatever you need, whatever you go to God. Go to Him. When it comes to your trading, go to Him. You want to be successful at trading? Go to Him. Go to God. Because that's number one. That's number one. How I'm able to create all of these indicators and all of this is because of Him. I built that relationship with Him. Put Him first. Got to be obedient to Him. If you're not obedient to Him, no. You got to be obedient. And I'm here to help y'all. I create these indicators to help y'all. I want to see y'all succeed. So if you want to join NPM, join the team. Take that step. The link is in the description. Official website. You got to click that link in the description. Official website. Also, if you want to go sign up with my broker, it's that first link in the description. It's that first link. And then if you want to get the platform that I use, it's the second and third link. They got Forex and futures. Whichever one you trade. Forex, futures, they got it. That's the platform that I use. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Comment below. Give me my ones. Give me my likes. Give me my subscribe. Give me my shares. Let's look at gold. Let's go to the monthly. So monthly. Let me explain to y'all. This is a double bottom. This is a double bottom. You see this? This is a double bottom. A W, double bottom. And then you go on the 4 hour. The 4 hour. This is a double bottom on the 4 hour. If you don't know your patterns, I strongly encourage you to learn your patterns. I love these patterns. Double bottom, double top, head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders. Double bottom is for buys. Again, double bottom is for buys. Double top is for sells. Inverted head and shoulders is for buys. Head and shoulders is for sells. Again, let me run that back. Double bottom is for buys. So double top is for sells. Inverted head and shoulders is for buys. Head and shoulders is for sells. And this is a double bottom. Let me get my arrow. So it could potentially go up. Right now, selling is playing around, but that's just part of the market. They're gonna be playing. They're gonna play around until eventually it's gonna go up. Best believe it, because this is a W. This is a double bottom. This is a double bottom. It's gonna shoot up. Potentially, it could potentially shoot up. It could potentially shoot up. Because look at this. This is a double bottom. Type of 1 in chat if you understand that. Type of 1 in chat if you understand that. Type of 1 in chat. Type of 1 in chat if you understand that. Give me my likes, give me my subscribe, give me my shares. It's 10:45 a.m. Oh, I got 1-1. That's what's up. So right now it's doing a sale. You just gotta wait until that 4 hour is selling right now. So you wouldn't be taking buys on this 4 hour. You wouldn't be taking buys on this 4 hour candle. Cause look at it, it's selling. This candle is selling. This red candle is selling. So you leave this alone until you get that green candle, a green candle going up to the upside. Does everybody understand that? Right now, you leave this alone. You wait till you get that, when that 4 hour candle, that green candle go up to the upside, then we can talk about something. But until then, you just leaving this alone. So gold is a potential buy trend, but right now it's selling. So you just wait. It's NLP. It's NLP. So they playing around doing these sales. You just gotta wait. You gotta sit on your hands and be patient. You gotta sit on your hands and be patient. Don't just be jumping in trades prematurely, and then you get chopped up. You don't want to get chopped up in these markets. You don't want to get chopped up in these markets. Learn to have patience. Trust the process. If you don't get in that trade that whole day, oh well, so be it. Because you got to be patient. You can't just jump in any trades. We don't do that over here. We don't just jump in any trades. We patiently wait. See? W, double bottom. So you just got to wait for this. Let's go to the 1 hour. See, you're selling on the 1 hour. Process over profits. Correct, John. Process over profits. $15-minute. Yeah, process over profits. That's correct. So we're waiting for this. I will say, how you can know. Let me show you how you can know when to get in. If you had my indicators, let me show you how you can know when to get in. You want to know how you can know when to get in? So let's go. Let's see. When this turns green, lights up all green. When it's like, if you had these indicators, if this lights up all green, and then this lights up all green, giving you the buy signal. Also, See, it's under the EMAs. Do y'all see it's under the EMAs? When it's under the EMAs, you're in the sell trend. When it's above the EMAs, you're in the buy trend. Let me run that back again. When it's above the EMAs, you're in the buy trend. When it's below the EMAs, you're in the sell trend. So you will wait. I take mines on the 5-minute. You will wait for this to go above all these EMAs. Above all these EMAs. And then you can take your entry even with this. See this green arrow? This is the NPM trend dashboard. This green arrow, you'll wait for till you get a green arrow like this, and then you'll buy to the upside. These red arrows tell you tell you sell, so it gives you entry. So you will wait till you get this green arrow, because this gonna light up. It's gonna light up. When it lights up green, all green, it's gonna say bullish, buy zone, buy signal. It's gonna give you alert right here. It's gonna give you alert right here. Say NPM trend dashboard. When you get this, I help you set up the alerts, because mine's go off. Mine's be going off every minute. Mine's be going off every minute. See, this is the NPM trade command. That's the other one that I was telling y'all about. Mine's be going off every minute. So I'm used to it going off every minute. But that don't mean that you jump in. Just jump in every time it's going off. You gotta make sure you analyze first. Know market structure. Know what you're doing. Like I told you, you gotta be above all the EMAs for you to even go for a buy. Like right now, you wouldn't be messing with this. Look, it's under the EMAs, and then it's giving all these sell. Look, it gave that sell right there. Sell. He gave that sell right there. So you will wait for you get this. Get a green arrow going up to the upside. You wait till you get a green arrow going up to the upside. See this green? You wait till you get this going up to the upside. It even tells you, it say sell, it say buy. See, it gives you buy, it tells you buy. It gives you your entries on here. You don't get no better than that. These indicators are here to help you. These indicators are here to help you. Type of 1 in chat if you understand that. Type of 1 in chat if you understand that. Give me my likes, give me my comments, give me my shares. Give me my likes, give me my comments, give me my shares. So you will wait. You gotta trust the process and just wait. So you wouldn't be trying to buy when it's under this these EMAs. See? It's bearish, sell zones. It gives you signals to sell. It gives you signals to sell, but you don't take those because we're going for buy. We're going for buys. We're going for buys. Why? Why are we going for buys? Let me run that back again. I showed y'all why we going for buys, because you saw the W. You saw the W. Did you not see the W? Saw the W. W. This is a W. This is a double bottom. Double bottom to the upside. Once he cross up here, above here, it's over with. Once he cross up here for gold, it's over with. Again, once he cross up here above the EMAs, it's over with. See, this is the W. Right now it's doing all that stuff. That's just, I mean, that's how the market does. It's just they play around like, so you just gotta wait. Sit on your hands until it gets up here. It's over with too. Once it gets up here, boom, go up to the upside. So you just gotta wait. Gotta patiently wait. Sit on your hands. Trust the process. Gotta trust the process. Trading is you gotta have your mental right. When it comes to this, you definitely gotta have your mental right. You can't be, you gotta learn. Trading taught me emotional intelligence when it comes to this. You can't be throwing stuff, getting just throwing something, going out, getting mad and stuff like that, and just doing stuff. I used to be just like to get upset. I had to learn. You had to learn emotional intelligence when it comes to this, because you gotta be able to learn emotional intelligence. You can't get your emotions involved when it comes to this. You can't get all upset and just throwing stuff and breaking stuff. That's not good. Another thing is trading gonna get you closer closer to trading is gonna get you closer to God as well. It can get you close. Like, it got me, I built a relationship with God, a better relationship with God. It's gonna change your whole perspective and mindset. You learn to be emotional intelligent, learn not to get upset all the time, and because you learn to be disciplined, control your risk. You only want to be risking 1 to 3%. You only want to risk 1 to 3%. Again, you only want to risk 1 to 3%. 1 to 3% per trade. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Again, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Like I said, this is gonna could potentially go up though. It might be today is Friday, so it might be, who knows, it might be next week or whatever. This could potentially go up. So right now it's selling. You see this? The 4 hour is selling. You just gotta wait. Sit on your hands. Let's look at NAS 100. Look at NAS 100. Let's look at the monthly. NAS 100. See, it has been buying. Let me see. Monthly. Yeah, NAS 100 is in a buy trend. Buy trend. And you see the sniper? It's lit up. Go to the 4 hour. It's above the EMAs. Look at that. Even the green background telling you it's in the buy trend. 1 hour. Buy trend. Did my trade come in and go off for you? Let me see. My trade come in and go off. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, this is a buy. It's telling you potential buy to the upside. See? NPM trade come in. NPM trade come in. It's going off. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Again, follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Again, follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Again, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, go watch my other video. My brand new video I came out this week. Is Y Series Traders. Y Series Traders. Make sure you go watch that. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, comment. So NAS could potentially buy. Let's look at US 30 though. US 30. So let's go to the monthly. Monthly is selling, so yeah. So this what you wouldn't, I wouldn't mess with this. Yeah, I wouldn't mess with this. US 30, you would leave that alone. Last 100 now, it's buying. US 30, I would leave alone because I don't like how it's looking. I go more in detail in my NPM Academy. If you want to know my strategy, I strongly suggest you to sign up with NPM Elite Fast Track. Strongly blessings. Thank you, John. Thank you, John. Thank you. Thank you, bro. Again, if you want to join my NPM Elite Fast Track, I strongly suggest you to join. 3 months of NPM Academy, 3 months of VIP Telegram signals, lifetime of these indicators, all 5 of these indicators: NPM Sniper, NPM Trend Dashboard, NPM RSI Divergency, NPM Indicator Pro, which is this green background and these EMAs, and the market prediction, which is this green bubble right here, which is amazing. All these indicators. So US 30, I don't like how it's doing. Let me explain to y'all. US 30, I don't like how it's doing. See, this is red. All of these, this right here, nah. I wouldn't mess with this. NAS 100, it was NAS 100. I like NAS 100 better. NAS 100 I like better. But it already hit a certain point. It already hit the price point that I wanted to. Let me see. The price point that see, I'm gonna have to look. 28,840. 28,840. Yeah, it already hit this 28,840. That's way back, way down here. So yeah, I wouldn't even. We call in my VIP Telegram signals, we caught these buys in my NPM VIP Telegram signals. Let me see. Definitely caught these buys in my NPM VIP Telegram signals. If you want to join NPM Trade Room, the link is in the description. Again, if you want to join NPM Trade Room, the link is in the description. Oh yeah, it hit I gotta send this, hold on. It hit it hit that. Let me see. I gotta send this out to the signal school because it hit all my TPs. TP1, TP3, TP2, TP3 for the NAS 100. And that's how we do it. It hit all my TPs. If you want to join the NPM VIP Telegram signals, here's a way you can join. When you sign up with my broker, the first link, deposit, and you inbox me and show me proof, screenshot, show me proof, I'll add you to the VIP Telegram signals. Now, don't think you just gonna get in there and you're not gonna be active. You gotta be active on that account. Don't think you just trying to loophole because you will be removed after 30 days. You will be removed after 30 days if you're not active on that broker, because my VIP Telegram signals is monthly. So if you're not active, you will be removed. So you got to trade on that account. You will be removed if you're not active. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Again, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I gotta, hold on. Give me just a second. See how these indicators are color coded. Green for buys, red for sells. Green for buys, red for sells. Again, green for buys, red for sells. Green for buyers, red for sells. I gotta send this out. Let's see. Again, like I said, it's color coded. So green for buyers, red for sells. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. See, this is the green background telling you that this is a buy trend right here. When you get the Orlando, what's the minimum deposit? You can deposit $100, little as $100 on that broker. You can deposit little as $100. So that should answer your question. Yeah, you can deposit little as $100. And the good thing about it is, the good thing I like about the broker is you can 10x your account. So it's kind of similar to like a prop firm. So say for instance you have $100, you can 10x that to $1,000. You can 10x it to $1,000. But the thing is, here's the thing: you can't lose over 10%. So if you they're gonna give you, so you deposit $100, they're gonna give you a $1,000 account that's 10x in it, but you can't lose 10%. So if you lose 10%, you lose what you put in, that $100. You lose that $100. So if you lose, say for instance, you trade it and you lose $100, 10% on that $1,000. On that $1,000, you lose that whole deposit that you put in. So they have a 10% max, pretty much drawdown. So, but you have to use proper risk management. If you're using proper risk management, you shouldn't be worried about that 10%. Use proper risk management. That's the thing. When you over leveraging, trying to over leverage and stuff like that, use proper risk management. Say you want to make $50 that day or something like that or whatever on $1,000 account. You withdraw that. You can withdraw it daily. The good thing about it, you can withdraw it that same day. So you can make $50 here, $50 here, $50. You got to have a profit target. I tell my students this in NPM Academy. You got to have a profit target. You got to have how much you want to lose that day, how much you want to gain that day. That's very important when it comes to this trading. So say for instance, you want to make $50 for that day. You make that $50 and you call it a day, you withdraw that same day. Then the next day you can make another $50. And that's your deposit that you put in. And then the next day you make another $50 because now you're risk-free trading. because you made your deposit back, which is that $100, and now whatever you make out for that, it's risk-free trading. Does everybody understand that? Whatever you make out for that now, it's risk-free trading, because you already made your deposit back. That's what I tell people. I tell my students, like, I suggest you to get your deposit first. So keep trading till you get your deposit, withdraw your deposit, and then you don't have to worry. That's risk-free trading. And then whatever after that is a bonus. Whatever you make after that is a bonus. Type of 1 in the chat if y'all understand that. Type of 1 in the chat if you understand it. So whatever you make after that, after you deposit, is a bonus. So if you put $100, whether it's $100, $500, you get that money back by trading. Say you withdraw it, that $500 or $100 or whatever. Then the days after that, say you want to make $50, $100 here or whatever, your profit target, that's risk-free trading. So whatever you make after that, it's a bonus. Type of 1 in the chat if you understand that. Type of 1 in the chat if you understand that. So that's the goal. That's what you're supposed to be doing. Give me my ones, give me my subscribe, give me my likes. Give me my ones, give me my likes, give me my subscribes. Gold has been going up. Let's go to the monthly. I'm gonna show y'all something. Let me see. I'm gonna have to remove these hide these indicators real quick. So I want to show y'all just so y'all know. I don't know if you missed my other live, what I explained to y'all, and I knew that this was gonna go up. I knew that it could potentially go up. Wanna know why? Because look, I explained on my other lives. This is a red candle. This is on the monthly time frame. This candle, I don't know if you know, this candle is an engulfing candle. You got to learn your patterns. This is an engulfing candle. Whenever you get an engulfing candle, especially these green engulfing candle, you could potentially go up to the upside. So this candle engulfs this red candle. And then that next candle would have been, which is this month, it goes up to the upside. Now the reverse would be, if this candle was green, if you're going for a sell, this candle is green and the red candle overlaps, the body overlaps this green candle. That's engulfing candle. That's a sell engulfing candle. This is a buy engulfing candle. And this is on a higher time frame. You got to know your price action. You got to know market structure when it comes to this. Got to know price action. Got to know market structure when it comes to this. I teach that in my NPM Academy. I host live sessions Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. I also record it. If you have any questions, I'm here to help you. I want to see y'all succeed when it comes to this. I've been doing this 6 years. Full time, 6 years. So they don't call me mentor. They don't call me coach for nothing. They don't call me the Forex King for nothing. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that comment. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, comment below. What's your favorite pair? Comment your favorite pair in the chat. Comment your favorite pair, and we'll look at it. Comment your favorite pair, and we'll look at it. Comment your favorite pair. What's your favorite pair? And we'll look at it. See, this is I gotta write it down. Let me put it right here. Engulfing candle. Engulfing candle. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Let's look at let's see. Let me look at year 30. Year 30. So this is if y'all don't know, 618, 50 to 382 are reversal levels on the Fibonacci. These are reversal levels. These are reversal levels. Again, 618, 382. The 50 are reversal levels. Those are reversal levels. Monthly, I don't like this. Monthly, weekly, let's see, daily. Yeah, I don't like this. If it hits this, you don't want to be in between here. You definitely don't want to be in between here. You definitely don't want to be in between here. You don't want to be in between those golden levels when it comes to this. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. 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 Jay, you on here? I don't know if Jay on here, one of my students. USD JPY. You said USD JPY. We'll look at USD JPY. I don't trade Forex pairs because They're kind of they're slow. I used to trade them when I first began trading, but I don't trade Forex pairs because they're slow. They're slow, really slow. It takes hours, days just for it to hours. A lot of like I don't trade Forex pairs, but we'll look at it. We'll look at it. You want me to look at USD JPY? So let's go to the monthly time frame. As you see on the monthly time frame, this is a double bottom. That's a double bottom to the upside. It's a double bottom. If you spot your patterns, you know your patterns. This is a double bottom. It's a double bottom. Double bottom. Look, went down, went up, went down, went up. This could potentially go up to the upside. Let's see. Let me see where my arrow is. I don't know why is this thing. Let me see. Where's my arrow at? Oh, here it is. This could go up to the potential upside because this is on the monthly. This is if you know price action, you know this is a W. Type of 1 in chat if you understand that. Type of 1 in chat if you understand that. This is a double bottom. It went down, went up, went down, then went up again. Double bottom. And what we say double bottoms are? Potential buys to the upside. Type of 1 in chat if you understand that. Type of 1 in the chat if you understand that. If you know price action. See, I know price action. I know structure, market structure. I've been doing this for 6 years. I know price action without indicators, all of that, because I've been doing this for 6 years. You got to learn price action. You got to learn market structure when it comes to this. Indicators are good, but if you don't know price action, you don't know structure, no. I teach that in my MP Academy. This is a double bottom. So this could potentially go up for the upside. Potentially go up to the upside. Let's go to the weekly. Look at that. You see it on the weekly. You see it on the weekly. Look at that. It might be selling right now, but you see it on the weekly. Then let's look at the daily. This is a little W right here. See? Potential buy to the upside. So you just gotta wait and sit on your hands. Wait and sit on your hands until it gives you what you need. You gotta wait and sit on your hands till it gives you what you need. So you can ride it, to a buy to the upside. Now, I'm not your financial advisor, but I've been doing this for 6 years, so this is a potential. This is off of my analyst looking at this. That's a W. W, bro. W. W, bro. Type of 1 in chat if you understand that. W, bro. Type of 1 in chat if you understand that. Hit that. Give me my likes. Give me my subscribe. Give me my comments. Give me my likes. Give me my subscribe. Give me my comments. Give me my likes. Give me my subscribe. Give me my comments. Orlando, you typed the 1. That's what's up. Look at GBP USD. I remember that pair. Join my NPM trade room. I strongly suggest you join my NPM trade room if you want updates. Join my NPM trade room. Again, if you want updates, join my NPM trade room. The link is in the description where it says NPM trade room. Join my Telegram NPM trade room. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Again, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Let's look at GBP USD. Let me see. I don't trade Forex pairs anymore, but we can look at it. Since we went to look at USD JPY, we can look at GBP. See, monthly. This looks like a W race. This is an engulfing candle right here on the daily. If this close over this red candle, potential buy to the upside, all the way up to here. So we could hit potential buy to the upside. We shall see. I take my entries on a 5-minute time frame. Take my entries on a 5-minute time frame. So that's I take my entries on a 5-minute time frame. Hold on. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Could be a potential buy to the upside on GBP USD. Let's look at GJ though. GJ. I remember I used to trade GJ all the time. I mean GJ. I used to trade GJ a lot too. Let's go to the monthly. Monthly. Weekly. Daily. Looking like a buy to the upside, but we shall see. See, I gotta look at some. See, let me see something. Hold on. Are you hold on. What pair? So you only pay trading USD JPY. Orlando, you only trading USD JPY. What pairs do you trade? Just USD JPY, or what other pairs you trade? If you want, I can give you a TP that it could potentially hit. USD JPY could hit for the buys if you want. Type of one in the chat if you want me to give it to you. if you trade in USD JPY. Let's see. GJ could be a potential buy. Let me see. Look, this. See, I dropped all the way down here. Then it's going up to the upside. Like I said, I don't trade Forex pairs anymore. GBP, USD, and GJ like my last option or whatever. If the other pairs are not running like I want them to correctly. Anybody have any questions? Any questions? Drop your questions in the chat. Drop your questions in the chat. And you can drop your pairs in the chat. Drop your pairs in the chat. And I'll analyze them for you. I do this. I want to see y'all succeed. Also join NPM Trade Room. Drop your pairs in the chat. Whatever pairs you trade, drop them pairs in the chat. Drop them pairs in the chat. Drop them pairs in the chat. See GJ 5 minute. Oh, what is it? 5 minute time frame. I need to put these back on. Put my indicators back on. I don't need this. Let's look at the 4 hour. See, this not lighting up. When it's light up green, the sniper light up green telling you buy. So probably leave this alone until these light up green. Then it's go time. But GBP USD, let me see. Let's go to the 4 hour. Yep, the 4 hour lighting up on GBP USD. Then it got the green background telling you it buys. Got the market prediction telling you buys. Like I said, I tell my NPM Academy students this: you need 3 to 4 confirmations to get in a trade. You need 3 to 4 confirmations to get in a trade. I have like 10. I have like a lot of confirmations in order to get in a trade that I use. I have a lot of confirmations that I use. Anybody have any pairs they want me to analyze? Drop them pairs in the comment. Type of 1 if you're getting helpful information. If you're learning something today. Type of 1 if you're learning something today. I want to know if y'all learning. Type of 1 in the chat if you're learning something today. Type of 1 in the chat. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let me show you how powerful these indicators are. Let me see. Let's see. Let's go to the monthly. To the monthly. weekly, daily. Let's do some let's wait till we get that next NPM trend dashboard. Let me show you. We're gonna wait till we get that next NPM trend. Wait a minute. I missed it. You missed it. I'm gonna go back. Run it back. We gotta run it back. It moved too fast. Let's see. I have to slow it down a little bit more. Bam, right there. So let me show you. You got the NPM sniper going off with all this, when it's light up green telling you buys. Then you got the NPM trend dashboard with the buys telling you. When it's above the EMAs, you know you're in a buy trend. When it's below the EMAs, you know you're in a sell trend. So let's take a buy going up. Where my go take a buy going up. I gotta change this to 0.0. Let's move 0.5. So we're going to, I use my risk reward calculator. Bam. Then we're going to go all the way up here. Then we're going to put this, I do a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio, but we're going to do this. And then we're going to buy. What to buy? Buy. We're going to market execution. To put the TP all the way up to here. And then we're going to put the stop loss all the way down here. Because it gives you your stop loss. It gives you TP. The green line is TP. The red is the stop loss. And then we're going to confirm. This is the indicator that I created. These are the indicators that I created. So we're going to play. Let it play. So we're going to let it play. Give me my likes, give me my subscribe, give me my comments. See how it's going up to the upside? Look how powerful these indicators are. It's going, and you hold it till it takes you out. See how it's going up? Look at that. You get even getting the arrow. The green arrows. Look at the NPM trend dashboard telling you to buy. You don't get no better than that. These are the indicators that I created. You got the NPM sniper. It sends alerts. This is amazing. This is amazing. It's going up to the upside. Look at that. Look at that. This is almost to that TP. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Bam, it took me out. He hit that TP. Amazing. Hit that TP. And these are the indicators that I created. If you want to get these indicators, I strongly suggest you go to NPM Elite Fast Track. That's go to the link in the description below where it says official website. Click that link. Get NPM Elite Fast Track. That's the new program that I have. You get 3 months of NPM Academy, 3 months of VIP Telegram signals, lifetime access to all of this. NPM Sniper, NPM Trend Dashboard, the NPM Indicator Pro, NPM RSI, Divergency, the market prediction indicator as well. It's the bubble. Let me see. Did I put this? The NPM market prediction. Get NPM Trend Indicator, NPM Trend Dashboard, NPM Sniper. You get the NPM RSI. 5 indicators for a lifetime. And you get Venom FX Bot. The link is in the description below. If you want to follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, the link is in the description below. No, the link is in the bio. Correction. If you want to follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, the link is in the bio. If you want to join NPM Trade Room, the link is in the description below. NPM Trade Room. If you want to sign up with the broker that I have, you go to the first link in the description. If you want to sign up with the prop firms that I use, the link is in the description. It's the second and third link. So if you want to sign up, strongly suggest you to sign up. This is Charrell, the Forex King. Let's go.